Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, it's a short video, easy video. I'm gonna show you how to replace your 2016 Tucson Foglight. So I'm going to take out the halogen light and I'm going to install my LED lights. I bought this in Amazon. The brand is Hyundai, and let's get started. And before I go, this is the only tool that I will be using. Let's go. So the first thing you will do, I'm gonna start from the driver's side. Turn your wheel all the way to the right side. Of course, put your key inside. There you go. So I turned my wheel all the way to the right, so you have easy access to this clip. So you have to remove 1, 2, 3 clips. All right, I'm gonna start from the top one. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Now, pull your cover. There you go. This is your fog light. So now remove the bulb. Okay, so first I remove the harness from the headlight, from the bulb. There you go. Now take your LED and it goes in the same way. Twist it and there you go. Now connect your harness. And there you go. Very easy. Let's test the fog light before putting the clip on. Put your key inside, turn your headlight. Alright, so it didn't turn on. I put the wire in reverse. So let's go back inside. Take your wire and flip it. Alright. Take your wire and flip it. And now it should work. There you go. Now let's go to the other side. Go back in your car. And now turn your wheel to the left side. If you have your car on, it's easier. So I have my car off, so a little bit more strength is required. I don't turn my car on because I'm in the garage, so I prevent the turn your car off. Now go to the other side. So same step. 1, 2, 3 clips. Easy to remove. There you go. Now pull the cover out. There you go. All right, so remove the headlight. Now install your LED light. So I'm having trouble putting the LED light on this side because of the windshield tank. Okay, so now let's test it out. Turn on the ignition. All right. Beautiful. That's really good. So now that the light is working, put the clips. One, two, and 3. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good night. Peace. So now I'm gonna take it. So I'm gonna test out my headlight. The fog light is off, fog light is on, and it's better than the halogen. Thanks for watching. Peace.